Reyes.
And I am Jolante Flores.
Today we're discussing about a big world movie. So first question is, how does a big world depict the concept of a good life?
In the big world, the good life is not about living at all or reaching the ideals of success set by society. It's about uh, it's it's about living true to yourself, building deep connection with the people around you. The characters are not perfect and their lives are full of challenges. And for those challenges, they learn to grow and learn what is important. They learn that happiness is not a destination but something that is discovered step by step in the people one meets, the lesson learned, and the strength one develop in the force in the face of challenges. Uh, Question number two: which philosopher's perspective on the good life is reflected in the movie?
The film closely matches Aristotle's view of a good life, especially his idea of eudaimonia, which emphasizes living with purpose and goodness. According to Aristotle, the good life is not about external success but about cultivating virtues and living according to your true self. In the Big World movie, characters face challenges that force them to change and learn. For example, a character experiences fear and doubt, but on their journey they discover courage and strength by being true to their values. Another character learns the importance of kindness and wisdom through personal experiences, showing that the good life comes from cultivating virtues like this, rather than seeking material success or avoiding hardships.
Lastly, what does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher viewpoints align with your definition of a good life and why?
For me, life means being happy with who I am. Uh, Having close relationship with people who matter to me, and doing things that make me feel I'm contributing. It's about being present in every moment, appreciating the little things, and learning from every experience. So, same question. What does a good life mean to you personally? Which philosopher's viewpoint aligns with your definition of a good life and why?
Actually, it's the same to you. You said that a good life is being happy with who I am, and also philosopher Aristotle said he believed that a good life comes from growing as a person, living with virtues like kindness and wisdom, and finding balance in life. He said that happiness does not come from money or fame, but from doing things that are right for you. I agree with him because I think a good life is about being the best version of yourself, connecting with other people, and making the positive impact on the world around you.
And that's all. Thank you.